Kapil Sibal, a multifaceted political luminary and legal stalwart. Kapil Sibal, born on August 8, 1948, in Jalandhar, Punjab, is a prominent Indian politician, lawyer, and former union minister who has played a significant role in shaping India's legal and political landscape. Known for his articulate speeches, legal acumen, and impactful political career, Sibal's contributions span various sectors, including education, telecommunications, and law. Early life and education, birth and family. Kapil Sibal was born into an academically inclined family. His father, H.L. Sibal, was a renowned advocate who significantly influenced Sibal's early interest in law and public service. Education. Sibal's educational journey began in Jalandhar, after which he moved to Delhi for higher studies. He completed his MA in History from St. Stephen's College, Delhi University, in 1969. Subsequently, he pursued law at the Faculty of Law, University of Delhi. To further his education, Sibal went to Harvard Law School, where he earned his LL.M. in 1977. Legal career. Advocate and senior advocate. Sibal started his legal practice in the early 1970s and quickly rose through the ranks due to his legal prowess. He was designated a senior advocate by the Delhi High Court in 1983, a significant milestone in his legal career. Supreme Court practice. Over the years, Sibal has argued numerous high-profile cases in the Supreme Court of India, gaining a reputation for his articulate arguments and deep understanding of constitutional law. His clientele includes political leaders, corporations, and high-net-worth individuals. Solicitor General. In 1989, Sibal was appointed as the Additional Solicitor General of India, a testament to his legal acumen and his contributions to Indian jurisprudence. Political career. Entry into politics. Sibal entered active politics in the late 1980s and formally joined the Indian National Congress, Inc. His eloquence, legal expertise, and strategic mind quickly made him a significant figure in the party. Member of Parliament. Sibal was elected to the Rajya Sabha, the upper house of Parliament, in 1998 and later to the Lok Sabha, the lower house, from the Chandni Chowk constituency in Delhi in 2004, 2009, and 2014. His electoral victories reflected his popularity and effectiveness as a politician. Ministerial roles. Minister of Science and Technology. In the UPAI government, 2004-2009, Sibal served as the Minister of Science and Technology and Earth Sciences. He played a pivotal role in promoting scientific research and innovation in India. Minister of Human Resource Development. From 2009 to 2012, Sibal served as the Minister of Human Resource Development, where he introduced significant reforms in India's education system. His initiatives included the implementation of the Right to Education Act, continuous and comprehensive evaluation in schools, and efforts to modernize higher education. Minister of Communications and IT. Sibal also served as the Minister of Communications and Information Technology, where he was involved in policy making during a transformative period for India's telecommunications sector. Contributions and controversies. Reforms in education. Sibal's tenure as the Minister of Human Resource Development was marked by his efforts to reform the education system. He advocated for the de-stressing of education, proposed the scrapping of the Class 10 board exams, and introduced the Continuous and Comprehensive Evaluation (CCE) system to reduce pressure on students. Telecommunications policy. As the Minister of Communications and IT, Sibal faced significant challenges, including the aftermath of the 2G spectrum allocation scandal. Despite controversies, he worked on policy frameworks aimed at increasing transparency and fostering growth in the telecom sector. Legal and political advocacy. Throughout his career, Sibal has been a vocal advocate on issues of national importance, ranging from civil liberties to economic policies. His speeches in Parliament and public forums are known for their depth, clarity, and persuasive power. Personal life and legacy. Family. Kapil Sibal is married to Promila Sibal, and they have two sons, Amit and Akhil, both of whom are accomplished lawyers. The Sibal family has continued its legacy of legal excellence and public service. Publications and writings. Apart from his legal and political work, Sibal is also an author and poet. His collection of poems, My World Within, reflects his introspective side and offers insights into his thoughts and emotions. Legacy. Sibal's legacy is multifaceted. As a lawyer, he has contributed significantly to Indian jurisprudence. As a politician, his efforts in education and telecommunications have had a lasting impact on India's development. Despite facing controversies and challenges, his commitment to public service and his ability to navigate complex legal and political landscapes have earned him respect and recognition. Kapil Sibal's journey from a young lawyer to a senior advocate, and from a politician to a minister, exemplifies his dedication, intellect, and versatility. His contributions to India's legal system, educational reforms, and telecommunications policy have been substantial, shaping the nation's progress in multiple dimensions. As a lawyer, politician, and author, Sibal's work continues to inspire and influence, leaving an enduring legacy in the annals of Indian history.